This is a very compact, easy to install reverse osmosis system. But previously I've had systems that require 3 filters, two charcoal, 1 reverse osmosis filter hanging on the side, and a tank in the back.
Oh my goodness.
And it takes up a lot of room. This takes up a lot less room. It has great pressure, and it's very easy to change the filters out. As a matter of fact, I'll show you here.
Okay.
You can just take this off here. It's magnetically,
nice.
and these filters come out, and you don't have to, we can replace them.
Okay. How often do you have to replace the filters?
Probably about every 6 months, but it depends on usage. A family with children might need to replace them a little more often.
Okay. And so the reasons you got it were was the other one not working very well?
The other one had gotten old and wasn't working well and had failed.
Okay.
So
you
I
needed to replace it
opted
anyway.
to get this different system. Yeah, I've been very happy with it.
Okay.
The tap for it is up here on the sink, right there on the left. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay. And about how long did it take you, mechanical guy, to get it in there?
It took me a good while because I had to remove the garbage disposal unit.
You had to reconfigure.
I had to take that out so I could get behind to install the thing. So if the faucet had been on the right side, it would have been very easy.
Oh, okay. I see what you're
So it
saying.
depends on the location of things
Okay.
underneath your sink.
So you use this for cooking, drinking water?
Drinking water, cooking water.
No, not cooking.
No.
Well, I use it for cooking.
You do.
Coffee?
Well, I figure
Coffee.
Okay.
Yes,
for
definitely
coffee for sure.
Making tea.
Making
tea, anything we drink.
That the flavor might be influenced by local water.
Okay. Okay. So like boiling something, you don't care because it's going to boil whatever out anyway.
Right.
Okay. Cool. All right. Thank you.